Magandang araw, magandang gabi, kung nasa ba kayo nakikinig sa akin right now, maulan na araw sa inyo, lalo na kung nandito ka sa Pilipinas, no? So, keep dry and at the same time, keep safe, guys, no? Let's pray for our mga kababayan na naapektuhan ng bagyo, no? But for those na nandito, nakikinig sa akin, I hope you guys are doing well. Yun. Anyway, so sa video na to guys, pag-uusapan natin is isa sa mga na-discover ko na isa sa mga alarming na trend na nangyayari sa network marketing na gusto nating i-discuss dito. Not for every other reason other than gusto natin na maka-extract ng solution out of it. Kasi lalong-lalo na kung nasa network marketing ka at most probably ikaw yung tipo na gusto mo talagang umangat sa pagna-network. Ito yung gusto nating maging pag-usapan natin to. Okay? Sabi nga, 'di ba, discuss the elephant in the room. Okay? So isa sa mga alarming na feeling ko kailangan ma-address lalo na kung network marketer ka. Lalo na right now if you're listening to me and maybe may team ka na or ito yung nagiging kultura sa team ninyo, pag-usapan natin ito. Right? Tap nyo ready kung ready na kayo. Ano yung alarming na discovery ko or na napapansin ko sa network marketing. Okay? So, ang goal ng karamihan sa network marketing is kumita. Agree ba kayo? Ang goal ng karamihan sa network marketing, kumita. Ang goal ng karamihan sa network marketing ay umangat. Ang goal natin sa network marketing, yung kinikita mo ngayon, is mag-grow. Agree ba? Type yung agree sa my comments. Now, what happens is when you go inside a network marketing community, generally speaking, ang i-offer sa iyo is yung basic package. And kapag nag-offer siya ng basic package, ang next na gagawin sa iyo is bibigyan ka ng, kumbaga, ibebenta sa yung idea na kunin mo yung pinakamalaking package. So, I want you to think about this. Isa sa mga, for years, sa mga taon, isa po sa mga, how should I say this? Isa sa mga selling point ng network marketing as a business is low entry level. Okay? Low entry level. But right now, things are changing. So, karamihan ng mga network marketing companies are already offering packages that is as high as 300,000 pesos, 500,000, 400,000, ganung mga packages. And I'm not saying this is wrong. But this is what's happening. Ang nangyayari kasi is pagpasok, maybe 10,000, 15,000, 18,000, how much? But after nun, ang gagawin is, sige, magdagdag ka ng account kasi ito yung magiging potential income. So they're selling the idea na ito yung magiging potential income, so magdagdag ka ng income. So, ito yung nangyayari. So what happens is, pagpasok, syempre, sa kagustuhan ng karamihan na talagang mas mag-multiply yung magiging effort. Ang benta kasi ng idea is ganito eh. So instead na mag-awang account ka, why not mag-31 accounts ka, paring effort mo, mag-times 10, times 15, alam mo yung ganun. So ganun yung benta. So syempre, pag bago ka, sasabihin mo, okay, sige, kunin ko na itong pinakamalaking account and all. Again, there's nothing wrong with it. But this is where the problem comes in. The problem comes in right after pagpasok ng bago at nagdagdag ng account. Right after nun, wala nang sistema kung paano gagawin. Usually, the system goes like, you would attend a big group meeting, you would attend this, you would attend that, and that's it. And majority of these people was left with so much capital na tragically, marami sa kanila is more than a year na, 2 years, 3 years na hindi pa nababawi. And ang sinasabi ko to na this is a little bit alarming kasi hindi siya na-check. Kapag hindi mo to na-check, ang mangyayari is maraming nawawalan ng pera in the process ng pag-network instead na kumikita. Sino nakaka-relate sa inyo dun sa kwento na to? Type nyo relate. Gusto kong sabihin to, there's nothing wrong with the system of adding up accounts. What's wrong is, nagpapadagdag ng account, nagpapadami ng binibenta, ng binibili. But on the process, is hindi nakakabawi yung bago. And then walang tamang sistema kung paano nyo mababawi. Maliwanag ba yung sinasabi ko? Type nyo nga clear kung maliwanag yung sinasabi ko. Type nyo clear. Okay, I just want to know if you can still hear me. So, sinasabi ko to, mga minamahal na network marketers, bakit alarming siya? Kasi kapag hindi nyo in-address to sa team ninyo, you would end up a lot of associates or a lot of distributors in your team na hoping na makakabawi, pero the truth is, they're losing money in the process. If we want to survive, not thrive, survive our network marketing as a business, people should not be losing money in your team. Maliwanag ba? Now, unless, of course, binigay mo yung support, binigay mo yung system, binigay mo yung strategy, binigay mo yung tactic, pero hindi nag-respond, ibang usapan yon. Nakuha? Pero, kung nagpadagdag kayo ng account, umabot ng 500,000, umabot ng 700,000, umabot ng 400, and we're not only talking about 20, 30,000. Pag umabot kayo ng mga more than 6-figure na capital, at walang strategy kung paano mag-ROI ang bago, o paano mababawi yung capital nila, that is an alarming rate because ang tanong ko sa'yo, saan nila kinuha yung pera? Isipin nyo yun. Isipin nyo yun, mga minamahal na network marketers, saan nila kinuha yung pera? Sinasabi ko to kasi this is out of my concern. If you will just, actually say this. Marami akong nakakausap. As in marami. If you will just listen to their stories, it is not because they're not willing to work the network marketing business. It is because majority of them were stuck up with 500,000 amount of products and they cannot even move. Ang worst case scenario, yung iba inutang pa. Inutang sa credit card, inutang sa bangko, inutang sa ganito, so nag-i-interest. So sinasabi ko to, yes, you're pushing the biggest packages. Hindi ko sinabing hindi ka mag-push. But you got to make sure you have a system for people that instead na kumikita sila, nawawalan sila ng pera. Ang tanong, sa'yo na lang, gusto mo bang mag-build ng team na people are losing money? Think about that. So ikaw, tingnan mo, ikaw, do you want to build a team that people are losing money? I'm not saying mapo-perfect mo siya, pero kasi kung galing sa ganung sistema that is kumbaga, the reason why people are stuck because of the system. Okay? Then there's a problem that needs to be fixed. Maliwanag ba yung sinasabi ko? Type nyo nga clear kung maliwanag yung sinasabi ko. Ilan sa inyo dito ang nakikinig sa akin right now na tinitingnan mo lang yung bahay ninyo or tinitingnan mo yung portal mo sa account mo sa network marketing company mo, natutulog yung pera mo doon na 300, 400, 500,000. Okay. Hindi, Gerard, kasi ang turo sa amin, gagamitin lang yung product, i-consume lang. Okay, sige. Ganito ay ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo. So, kung naglabas ka ng 500,000 pesos, paano mo mababawi ang 500,000 pesos mo? Ang 500,000 pesos mo, okay? Galing sa recruiting alone. Technically, this is general to. General to sa lahat ng network marketing because most probably, majority of network marketing companies are almost the same ang percentage yan. Ganito ang mangyayari dyan. So, on average, para mabawi mo yung 500,000 mo na nilabas, kailangan mo ng 6 na pay-in or 6 na papasok sa mga sponsor na 500,000 din nilalabas nila. Okay, tingnan nyo ha. Tingnan nyo to. So, may 500,000 ka. So, kailangan mo ng 6 at least. Pairing yan. Ano ba mga bonuses yan? So, mag-500,000 din. So, 6 na papakunin mo ng 500,000 para mabawi yung 500,000 mo. Okay, tingnan nyo. Ngayon, wow! Sabihin natin, assuming nakakuha ka ng 6 na nakakuha ng 500,000. So, nabawi mo na yung capital mo. Tama? Ngayon, anong gagawin mo dun sa 6 na nakuha ng 500,000? So, the cycle goes on. So, ganun din ang gagawin nila. But, the problem here is, what if dumating sa point, the law of diminishing intent, which means the quality, nakuha niyo ba? Yung quality, the way you're saying it, the quality, the way you do it, bumababa. What if yung next na 6, hindi nila kinakaya na makapagpa-pay in ng 6 na kumuha ng 500 for now, and inutang nila yung pinang startup nila, nag-interest sa bangko, nag-interest sa credit card, anong mangyayari sa kanila? Guys, hindi mo pwedeng power-powerin lang yun. So, totoo lang. Real number yan. Credit card, 3% per month. 3% per month ang credit card. Paano mo pa-power-powerin yun? Paano pa-power-powerin yun? So, I'm saying this because this is an alarming rate. This is not, I am for network marketing. Okay? I am for network marketing. But at the same time, this is me out of my concern. That we want everyone kaya we want everyone na kapag nag-network marketing ka, sabihin natin wag muna tayong mag-usap ng milyon-milyon. At least umusad ang business mo. Kasi kapag umusad yan, madali na lang yung pagbulusok nan eh. Kapag alam mo kung paano mo siya papausadin. Alam mo siya kung paano mo mag-move. Pero kung if the only system and if the only strategy of your network marketing business, listen to me carefully, if the only strategy of network marketing business is magpagdagdag ng account, and yan lang yung bumubuhay sa account mo right now, darating sa time that people doesn't know how to generate leads, people in your organization doesn't know how to get customers, I will tell you, madidrain ang network marketing business mo. You will crumble from top down. And baka mabansangan ka pang scammer. Which is hindi naman yung intention mo. I would assume hindi yun yung intention mo, kaya ka pa nasa network marketing. Are you learning? Type nyo nga learning sa my comment kung natututo kayo. Nakuha niya ba? So, kaya I made a webinar on I think ayan, nandiyan yan sa link, no? This webinar, nagagawin ko bagong webinar to, libreng webinar to, guys. This is a new webinar. Check mo dyan sa my comment. I gave here free secrets that I discovered, no? How to multiply your network marketing business. Nilagay ko yan dito. Okay? So, 3 secrets where I discovered 3 secrets as I mentor other network marketers across different companies. Sasabihin ko sa inyo. I-reveal ko yan sa inyo dito. Marami sa inyo na hindi nyo alam na mali na pala yung nangyayari. Okay? Marami sa inyo, still positive kayo. But if hindi nyo ma-solve yan as of this moment, you might realize na yung 300,000 mo, nabuwala na lang kasi na-expire yung mga products mo. Na-expire na yung access mo. Na-expire na yung na-expire. Naka nyo? Right? Are you with me? Tama? So, some people may say, hindi nangyayari sa amin yan kasi one account policy lang kami. Really? Really? Magkano pinamaling capital sa inyo? Naka nyo ibig sabihin? Are you learning? Tama? Network marketing is supposed to be an income-generating business. I'll say it again. Network marketing should be an income-generating business. It has to create a system where people should not lose money. That's the first step, okay? Nandun na tayo. Gerard, malaking income. Mayayaman tayo dito. Nandun na tayo. But there has to be a system people should not lose. The base of it, people should not be losing money. Tama? Nakuha niyo ako? Right? So, check nyo dyan. Secure your slot for the webinar. This will be on July 29. You got that? Dyan, click nyo dyan. This is free webinar. Gagawin ko yan. I discovered these 3 secrets, which is, let's make network marketing a better business. But, i-discuss natin itong mga bagay na ito na nangyayari para ma-solve din natin sila. Okay? Hindi ako nandito, nire-release ko lang itong mga negative na ito na wala tayong isa-solve dito. So, we wanted to solve it, and that's how we do it. So, paano mo siya gagawin? How are we going to do it? So, you get to make sure na kung magpapadagdag ka ng account, kailangan, ang mindset mo is, paano ko ipapagrow yung, paano ko i-make sure, first thing, hindi na mawala ng pera ang downline ko. And I understand, kung ang system mo is nasanay ka na talaga, hindi kasi Jared, system namin, sa team namin, nagpapadagdag lang kami ng account. Nag-gets ko yun. Pero hindi mo gamitin yung utak natin. Pwede bang gamitin natin yung utak natin? Do you think mag-grow ang business mo kung nawawala ng pera ang downline mo? Worst case scenario na babaon sila? Do you think uusan ang business mo sa tingin mo? Ikaw? Ano ba yung magiging motivation for people to move in the business? What would be the motivation for people to move in the business? What? Because there are umuusad sila sa business. Kaya ang Kamada hindi talaga nag-work. Alam mo yung Kamada, yung mag-rank advance, tapos bibili mo yung rank advance mo. Maniwala ka sa akin, kapag ganyan ang gagawin mo, may rank ka nga, mukha kang pogi at saka maganda sa harapan, pinatarp ka, nirecognize ka, pero alam mo na hindi umusad ang business mo. Gusto mo ba ng ganung network marketing business? Ayaw mo nun. Tama? You would want a network marketing business that is moving. You want a network marketing business that is foundation. Solid ang foundation mo. When you say solid ang foundation, okay? Hindi yung naglabas ka ng $500,000, hindi mo alam kung paano may babawi. Saan ang foundation doon? Naglabas ka ng 700,000, naglabas ka ng 800,000, hindi mo alam kung paano may babawi. So, paano ang pundasyon doon? Okay? Nakuha niyo ba ako? So that's the only way, one way to really enjoy network marketing is to do it the right way. Now, if you don't know that, okay? Again, disclaimer lang, I'm not claiming to be expert here. Maliwanag? Hindi ako nag-claim na expert ako. Hindi rin ako nag-claim that I know everything. I just know what I know of by me interacting with other network marketers, nag-avail ng one-on-one mentorship ko from all the courses and all my interaction to other network marketers, even my own personal experience and my failure and my mistakes. Nakuha nyo ba? So, just so you know, just nandun tayo sa level na yun, that I am with you. I am not here na basagin kung whatever company, whatever, ano. I'm here, pag-usapan natin itong mga bagay na to, kasi since nandirito ka rin na naman, nakikinig ka sa akin, edi pag-usapan na natin siya. Tama? And I'm serious when I say this. Regardless of whatever network marketing company ka, ang hangad ko talaga sa'yo, umansenso ka dyan. You know, behind every fighter in network marketing is a network marketer na may malalim na dahilan kung bakit siya lumalaban. Maniwala ka sa akin. Madalas na mga kinakausap ko sa network marketing na talagang palaban, yung talagang walang atrasan, ito yung may pinakamalalim na dahilan. And ayokong dumating sa point na nawalan ka na ng gana sa pagda-network, naubos na yung enerhiya mo sa pagda-network dahil hindi natin na-discuss ang mga bagay na ito. So if you are in that case right now, okay? If you are in that case as of the moment, na ganyan ka, okay? Control your finances well. But at the same time, I want you to make sure na kung tayo mga upline na nandito na ikinig, ang goal natin dito is magawa ng system that your team should not be losing money. Alam mong gagawin. It's just that natatakot ka lang kasi ang mindset sa inyo, hindi, sistema natin ito talagang gagawin. Naubusan na ng pera ng tao, sistema pa rin. Naubusan ng pera ng tao, sistema pa rin. Let's do network marketing right. Register sa may webinar sa July 29, that's 8 p.m. Philippine time. If you want to know more about it, i-detail ko doon lahat ng mga natutunan ko. Okay? This is my personal experience. This is sort of a case study. I'm gonna share this with you. And I want you to learn that nilibre ko to. This is for free. Not gonna pay anything from it. So, para matulungan kita. Okay? Okay ba? Kung naka-register ka, type mo registered sa may comments. Yun na naman for me. I hope inatutunan kayo. And if you find value into this, share mo to sa mga group chat niyo. Share mo to sa mga teammates niyo. Tag niyo mga teammates niyo dito. Heart mo na rin to. And you guys are all amazing. I hope you have an amazing, safe night. And huwag titigil. At ito lang gusto kong sabihin. Huwag kang mapagod maghanap ng kasagutan sa network marketing business mo. Lahat ng mga challenges sa network marketing may kasagutan yan. Nakuha? Walang problema sa network marketing na walang sagot. Hindi mo pa lang siya na-discover as of the moment. So huwag kang mapagod maghanap ng kasagutan sa negosyo mo. Okay? God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye.